What's up, beautiful people? So I'm going to show you how I achieved this natural looking 2-strand twist protective style with some subtle highlights. For the highlights, I use Nubian silk braiding hair. This is what it looks like. It's pretty long, so all I did was cut it in half and I was able to get two-strand twists out of that one piece. All you got to do is stretch it out and it's pretty much ready to go from there. And then I use another type of hair. It is the Nubi, and they pretty much look the same. That one came already stretched though, but once you twist it, it looks the same. This one is in jet black, so you just pull it in half, and that's how you get the two pieces. And from that one piece, you cross them like so. And then you proceed on braiding. So personally, I like to interweave my hair into the braid, which gives it a stronger base, especially on those edges. So you just want to braid down a bit. Then you'll have your two separate pieces, your hair along with one piece and another separate piece. So you combine your hair and that piece together and the other piece, and you just simply wind it around so that your hair kind of blends in, and then you two-strand twist. While you're two-strand twisting, you want to utilize the single-ease method, which is basically over twisting, so that way it stays tighter. And here I like to pull to make sure the ends are uneven. That makes for a better twist. And all you do when you get to the end is just cut off the scragglies. So here's the results without doing anything to it. The hair is super soft, so it looks really natural. I'm using the Wrap-A-Lock tool. I will post that video in the description box if you would like to look at more reviews on this tool. But this is my go-to tool when I want to curl my hair, especially when I had my locks and when I start my new lock set. So if you want to look at that tutorial how to use it, then I will post that in the description box. And here are my final results. I really love how it came out. I love the subtle highlights. It's not too overwhelming for me, but it just gives the right amount of pop. I love the length. So here I am showing you some ways that you can style it, half up, half down. You can wear it all the way up. And here's a close-up of how it looks. And the parting, I just went pretty much straight all the way across in the back. And then I went grab and go at the very top. That gave it a lot more, it made it look a little bit more fuller at the top. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave that down in the comments box below. And as always, be you, be beautiful, be blessed.